Welcome to our lesson about the Fillet command. Let's begin with a new part document. And let's start with a profile. Activate the line tool. And let's close the profile and finish the sketch. Activate the extrude command now. It'll be in both directions. 1 inch is fine. And OK. Now let's activate the Fillet command. We're on the Constant tab. First thing to do is select an edge to fillet. I'll select here. Let's enter a radius value of 1/4 inch. Let's click below our first fillet to add a second one. Click again in the graphic area. Enter a radius value. Let's make this one 0.125 inches. For my third fillet, let's go to the Variable tab. We'll select this edge. And here we need to specify the start and end points. To add another point, we simply can click on this line. Under Position, let's change this value to 0.25. The radius, let's change to 0.3. And let's change this radius value to 0.1. Now let's go to the Setbacks tab. Select this vertex. We can see the edges in red line in the graphic area. Setbacks define the transition distance. Let me select Edge 2, and let's change the value to 0.5. Now let's select Edge 3 and change the setback value to 0.25. OK, when I select the edges in the Fillet editor, you see that they become highlighted in the graphic area, so I know which one I'm selecting. Let's click Apply. And now in the graphic area, we can see how the setbacks look. Let me drag the Fillet editor over a little bit. Fillet 1 has already been added as a feature in my tree, but as you see, the Fillet dialog window is still open. Let's go to the Constant tab. And let's change the fillet mode to loop rather than edge. We'll select this edge and click Apply. We get a warning message. Let's cancel out of it and change the fillet radius. And click Apply. Let's check the All Rounds option. Change the value to 0.25. We see our preview. Let's apply and then cancel out of the tool. Now let's Shift select all 3 fillets from the tree and delete them. Activate the Fillet tool again. Let's check out the second fillet option. It's the Face fillet. This applies fillets between 2 faces, and then we select a second face. Here's our preview. Let's apply and cancel out of the tool. Again, let's delete this fillet. Right-click and delete. Activate the Fillet command again. Let's check out the last fillet option. It's the Full Round fillet. We need selections of faces. There's the first face, face 2, and let's select a third face as well. Notice that I'm able to select this third face right through the solid. Click OK. Apply and cancel out of the tool. Again, let's delete this fillet. Right-click, delete. Activate the Fillet tool again. I'm going to select this edge. Let's make this fillet 3/4 inch. And let's add another fillet. I'll select this edge. Let's also make it 3/4 inch. The next option will be G1 and G2 continuity, or as we see here, tangent and smooth. I'm going to click Apply and then cancel out. Let's go to the Inspect tab. Select Curvature, and let's select this face and this face. Apply and cancel. Now let's take a look at the difference. By the way, the curvature of a flat face is 0. Basically, what happens is this. The curvature drops to 0 along these edges in a more abrupt fashion. Along this edge over here, we've got a more gradual transition. In other words, these two faces along this edge share tangency. These two faces along this edge share tangency and curvature. We're going to learn more about continuities later in this course. This concludes our lesson about the fillet command.